Hi, my name is Carla E. Pascasio, Get Fit by Carla Weight Loss and Fitness. Who we have today is Miss Asifa. This is her first after video. Today's date is how much?
Today is...
January 12th, June 12th.
June 12th,
2013. And when did you start with me, Asifa?
I started March 18, 2013.
Alright, and this is what she looked like today on front of you. Right there, okay? Just to let everybody know this is what she looked like. Now on lateral view, okay, right there, that's perfect right there, right there. Okay, put down your arm, baby, put down, right there, okay. Now on posterior view, this is what she looked like today, okay? No more handles.
No more handles.
Yeah, no more handles right there. See, as you see, Asifa lost those 3 tires that she had before. Alright, so now another lateral view, Asifa.
The only tires that need to be here are car tires.
Right there. There you go. Asifa lost a lot of gut there. Okay, now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna weigh Asifa today. Today's date is June 12, 2013, and this is how much she weighed today. I just will let everybody know. She weighed 161.5 because I think I found out the clothes. Okay, now how much did we lose total in the last, how long, Asifa?
Almost 1 week short of 3 months.
Okay, 1 week short of 3 months. This is what I gave her a fitness assessment on this date. And we started the diet on, what date is it? 3/19/2013. And today's date is June 12, 2013. So Asifa, how much did you lose total?
I have lost almost 32 pounds.
In less than
3 months.
Okay, like 2 weeks, right? Is it 1 week?
1 week.
Okay.
1 week.
So now I'm gonna ask you something. This is our mid pictures, mid after video. So how did I help you reach your fitness goal?
You taught me to change my lifestyle for the better. I've always been active. That's never been a problem for me, but I didn't know how to properly put nutrients into my body. Sorry, I'm sweating like a pig. I would just eat like crap and then work out, and it wouldn't do anything. So Carla taught me that I can eat what I wanted. I just have to watch my portion and know the better thing to eat. So instead of eating fried chicken, eat the same thing baked, certain things like that. And honestly, like, I don't want junk food anymore. I like my clean food. I like eating quinoa and baked chicken and snacking on turkey slices. So, I mean, you taught me how to take care of my body, which is the best gift anyone could ever give me. So thank you.